If you have apples and yogurt, you can already make a dessert better than those at the restaurant. This is creamy, it's quick, and you can make it in less than 5 minutes. And the best part is, you probably already have everything at home. It's the kind of dessert you make without really feeling like it, and then end up making it 3 more times. You only need 2 yogurts and 2 apples. And if you want to take it up a notch, a bit of sugar, a bit of cinnamon, and a bit of butter. I open the fridge, I see yogurt, I see apple. I've got the idea. This is either going to turn out amazing, or not even the dog will eat it. And this happened. And here's the important part. Because it's not the recipe, it's how you make it. Start by peeling 2 apples. You can do it with a knife, or like me, with a peeler. Potato peeler, I don't know, whatever you call it. And since I'm asking questions, which apples do you like best for desserts? The ones that are soft and a bit grainy, that are sweeter, or the ones that have that tart note? Tell me in the comments. And now, I have to cut them into cubes. It's important that they are small cubes. So the first thing will be to cut each one into 4 pieces and remove the core. That hard part in the center that you don't eat. Once you've removed it, you cut each of the wedges into strips. And once you have all the strips, you chop them quickly all at once. This way, you form small cubes quickly and efficiently. The smaller they are, the faster and better. If you make big pieces, it's no longer a quick dessert, it's an eternal wait. You could cook the apple directly in the microwave, but I recommend adding this extra touch, a tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium heat. You keep stirring until it becomes completely liquid. It's gonna give it flavor, it's gonna give it texture, it's gonna give it color, all upsides. And then you add the apple that we just chopped. Try to make it fall inside. Don't do it like I did. All right. Once we have the apple inside, we'd stir it every now and then, so it browns in that butter and also in its own juices. And when you notice that all the apple cubes are already soft, that's the moment to add sugar. You could also use unrefined brown sugar and give it a more caramel-like touch. But with white sugar, it turns out great. And you can also add a bit of ground cinnamon. That combination with apple always works amazingly well. Cinnamon. It's not mandatory, but it gives it a really nice touch. If you don't add that cinnamon, I forgive you. Now, I don't understand you. Mix everything well and keep stirring it from time to time in the pan. Now, what we're looking for is for the sugar to melt with the juices, creating a sort of caramelization. Even the word itself already sounds delicious. Pay attention, because here comes the first mistake. Don't let it dry out. No. And don't worry, this will be done in just a couple of minutes. That's right. I always recommend staying close to the pan so it doesn't stick, and stir every now and then. Remember, we want pieces, not mush. See where it's at? It still has a bit of liquid, and you can already notice a uniform, caramelized color. So this is ready to take off the heat. This already smells like a good dessert. Now is where the dessert is won or lost. In a large bowl or container, we put 2 yogurts. And if you know the knife trick, you'll see it gets really easy. Simply by cutting the corners, you let a little air in, and it comes out whole. And watch closely, because something very interesting is about to happen. So let's see what happens when we drop this caramelized apple mixture, or apple with caramel, on yogurt directly on top.
Filma.
The heat from the apple slightly melts the yogurt, blending the flavors in an amazing way. And now it's as simple as stirring. You're going to combine the textures and temperatures, and you'll notice how that apple caramel swirls through the yogurt. So it's pure magic. Once everything is well mixed, it's time to serve. Grab a nice dessert glass or a nice tumbler and enjoy. Look how it pours. That looks incredible. Anyone who says they don't feel like digging in, I think they're lying. And now, a bit of color, because we saved some of the caramelized apple to put on top and give it that visual contrast that I think looks amazing. What do you think? Honestly, they could serve you this dessert in any restaurant and you'd say, they really put a lot of effort into this. Seriously, how can something so simple, taste so good? So I want to ask you, would you leave it just like this? Or would you add something else? I'll read your comments. But just like this, it already works amazingly. And this isn't about making things complicated. It's about knowing how to combine simple things well. And this dessert is the perfect example. Give me a like if you enjoy these quick recipes.